Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. A friend of mine, David, sent me this article, and it reads, "Why are people putting shaving cream on their mattresses?" So he said it might be a good topic for a video. And I read the beginning of it and I was like, yeah, okay, it's kind of out there, but I think I might do something with it. So here we go. I'll read it to you. This is called The Better Report, is where it came from. So here we go. It says, shaving cream is a household staple. Most of us shave a body part at least once a week. But if you only use shaving cream to make swift work of stubble, listen up. A new trend is growing in popularity, involving people slathering their mattresses with shaving cream. Now, I might not be in touch with everyone on the planet, but I have heard absolutely nothing about this. So let's go on. No, we're not kidding. This isn't some inane social media fad, but rather a clever household hack that you should also take advantage of. Here's the deal. Why is this happening? The idea of coating your bed with shaving cream sounds like an absurd premise to begin with, but it's actually a useful method for tackling those pesky and unsightly mattress stains. That's because shaving cream contains enzymes capable of breaking down the many proteins and oils that cause many fabric stains, such as the ones you find in the bedroom. So rather than pay a pretty penny for a professional mattress cleaning service, just buy a bottle of shaving cream and save some cash. They show a gross picture here of stains on a mattress. That's disgusting. Use shaving cream for these types of stains. These are a variety of stains that shaving cream can help remove. You're probably all too familiar with sweat stains, and shaving cream can work wonders on them. Humans shed 500 million skin cells daily, many of which end up in bed, along with the 16 to 24 ounces of sweat that humans produce nightly. Is that really true? You can lose a pound of body weight by sweating while you're sleeping. I mean, pound or more. If that's true, all right, I'm all about losing a little weight. I could do that. Thankfully, those ugly brown stains are no match for some Barbasol. Dun, dun, dun. Shaving cream can also help break down greasy, oily stains that are otherwise impossible to remove. Maybe you're using a petroleum-based skincare product, or there may be a splatter from some lazily eating a bowl of pasta in bed. No judgment either way. Okay, I do not eat pasta in bed. I don't eat anything in bed. So to me, food goes in the kitchen. Food does not go in the bedroom. If you're eating in bed, this is not a good look. Probably not healthy for you either. And you want to get bugs in your bed? Eat in bed. That's ridiculous. Either way, the enzymes in shaving cream can help break down those oils and easily remove those stains. Lastly, shaving cream can help with stains from general dirt and grime. Selecting the right shaving cream. I wonder if anybody was compensated for this article now. Using a foam-based shaving cream is important as its light and airy texture prevents further discoloration. Gel-based shaving products, on the other hand, are much thicker and may lead to additional staining. You should also avoid products that contain added dyes or fragrances, as those too may contribute to stains and artificial smelling odors. We recommend the exceptionally affordable regular shaving foam from Gillette. That's what they recommend to remove your stains. This particular writer, in any case. How to clean your mattress. Begin by applying a generous amount of shaving foam to the stained area. Then, using either a soft bristled or clean cloth, gently and repeatedly dab at the cream to help work it into the stain. Avoid intense scrubbing, which may push the stain deeper into the fabric. Once the shaving cream has been thoroughly worked into the mattress, let it sit for up to 30 minutes, allowing time for the enzymes to work their magic and break down the stain. Finally, take a damp cloth and wipe the shaving cream away. If done properly, the stain should look much lighter or be gone entirely. We suggest spot testing before applying shaving cream to the entire mattress. Find a small stained area and perform the above steps to ensure this cleaning method works to your liking. For extra tough stains, You can also add distilled white vinegar or baking soda as a supplement to the shaving cream. There's a fun concoction. Prevent stains before they form. This is a good idea. This I'll go with. If you have any children under the age of whatever, you might want to get this. Rather than worry about mattress stains, prevent them from even forming by purchasing a mattress protector. There you go. These products are cheap, easy to install, and create a protective barrier that keeps the mattress looking pristine. They also keep the bugs out. Something to keep in mind. These fitted elastic mattress pads are also machine washable, making them extremely easy to clean. Is that it? That's it. That's the end of the article. So take that with a grain of salt or go buy some shaving foam. We do sell Barbasol at shavenation.com. So if you want to pick up some Barbasol, click the link below the video. You can grab it. Do with this what you will. The phrase comes to mind back in the day when you only had newspapers to get your information daily. You didn't have the internet and the phone and easy access. This might be one of those articles that wound up lining the waste paper bin. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, interesting. Thank you to my friend David for sending it to me. I'm always on the lookout for strange and unusual uses for shaving cream and other shaving products. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. I'm out. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.